Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mitzel for those of you who do not know, and welcome. So today's video I'm gonna be trying new stuff that I just bought from Sephora. Other things are things I already own, but the three main things we're gonna try today is the new Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation, also the Rare Beauty Warm Wishes Stick Bronzer. Yes, and also this one is new, not to the market but to me, and it's the Anastasia Stick Blush. I'm very excited to try all of this, so let's get started. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot, and let's get started. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with the new Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. It says it's for your best healthy looking skin every day. I think this is from a new launch, which is Science Plus Color. So it's basically makeup that has some skincare benefits to it. I'm reading some information. It's a skincare infused foundation to improve the look of skin with each application. A 16-hour natural glow lightweight foundation with buildable medium coverage to hydrate, smooth, blur pores, and brighten skin. It has pollution defense, it's long lasting. I also saw on the Sephora website that it did mention it has hyaluronic acid as well. It comes in 30 shades and its price is $44, which is very normal for Charlotte Tilbury. So this is what it looks like. It's one of those kind of squeezy tubes, but it's not a squeezy tube. It has this pump. I don't recall which foundation has this type of packaging. The only one I have is the e.l.f. one, which is similar packaging, but I mean, this is very luxe. Like I said, it comes in 30 shades. I got the shade 3 Neutral. So let's try it. I don't know if I should be trying it with a brush or a sponge. So I'm basically gonna do what I always do. So I'm gonna pump some in the back of my hand. Ooh. Oh no. I'm gonna go in with a full pump, and it's pretty, well, I was gonna say it's thick, but it's kind of runny. And let's apply it to my face. I don't know which foundation brush I should use. I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. one. It's the e.l.f. Complexion Duo. Okay, taking some and just start applying it. So it's a bit on the thicker side and it has a little bit of a smell. Okay, so it was super easy to blend. It has more of a sticky feeling to it, but my skin looks very hydrated. Gives a little bit of coverage. So this is the side and this is with no foundation. So it's basically a foundation, but it has like a very light coverage, like a tinted moisturizer or like a skin tint or something like that. Very on brand what it's trending right now, but I love how my skin is looking. It looks very hydrated, but let me blend it out a bit more. And this shade is a perfect shade for me. Now I'm gonna go over with a sponge just to blend it out furthermore. First impression, it looks pretty nice on my skin. I love the light coverage it gives. I don't think it's a medium coverage. I do have foundations that are more medium coverage than this. This just looks like skin. I want to see if like in my smile lines, is it gonna set or something? But for right now, it's looking pretty good. Okay, for my concealer, I'm just gonna go in with the KOSAS Revealer Concealer in the shade 2W. I don't have a new concealer to try with you guys, but I did just order the next one, which is trending all over TikTok. I want to try it so bad because I've seen a lot of people loving it, and it's like a serum concealer, so I'm very excited. Just gonna blend this out. I wanted to use this concealer because I usually like a more heavy concealer, but this one I thought would be a great pair with this foundation, and it surely is. I love how the foundation is looking. I'm actually pretty obsessed. Okay, now I'm gonna set my under eyes with the KOSAS Cloud Set in the shade Breezy. It's just their powder. This is just looking so beautiful, but I kind of see that it's kind of setting in my smile lines, and I do tend to smile a lot, so it looks, my skin just looks beautiful. I'm gonna try to use it tomorrow because right now it's 8:30 at night, so I'm not gonna go anywhere after filming this. Next, this. Okay, next we're gonna be trying the new Rare Beauty Warm Wishes Effortless bronzer stick. I got the shade Happy Sol, and oh my god, I've been dying to try this bronzer. Actually, the first time I tried to get it from my Sephora, they had all the other shades except this one. I already knew. I was aware that that was gonna happen. Apparently I'm a basic bitch. But I did get the lightest shade for my sister because she really likes more of a natural look for her bronzer. So I did get her that. Then I went back 2 weeks after that and they had my shade. It was the last one. I was like, girl, I know you have it. It says on the Sephora website you have it. They did. And it was the last one. And I'm very happy I got it because it's even sold out online. So this is what the packaging looks like. Of course, Rare Beauty kills it with the packaging. Super clean, super, oh my god, classic. But this is a breakthrough bronzing stick for a quick and visible sun-kissed glow with a smooth, seamless second skin finish. Just swipe on, blend, and go. So this is what it looks like. It's very, very pretty and I can't wait. You guys know I love blushes, bronzers, anything that sort, especially blushes and bronzers. So usually I don't do this. So I'm just gonna swipe it on first. Oh my god. Oh my god. I would like to blend it, but I can't find a brush. Okay, I'm just gonna use this brush and blend it out. Okay, it's looking a bit dark on camera, but oh my god, this is blending so beautiful. The lightest shade I thought was gonna be too light, and I still think it's too light. This one is like my perfect bronzer. I'm just going in with the brush. I applied the foundation just to blend out any harsh edges, but this just looks like natural bronze and I'm not mad. Again, I don't know if I'm applying too much or too little, but again, here on my forehead, I love to bronze my forehead, especially because I think I have a big forehead. What do you guys think? Do I have a big forehead? Question of the day. I'm also gonna do it here on my jawline because, girl, this Christmas break, well, I didn't have a break, but Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, I have been eating and I need to get back to my grind. Oh my god, it just blends out beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna do this side. Oh my god, I was able to build it up a bit because it was a bit hard to, it's easy to blend out, but I don't know if it was the brush I was using or something. But right now I'm loving how it looks, but I'm just obsessed. Rare Beauty kills it every single time. For highlighter, I'm just gonna use one I already have. This is the MAC Cream Color Base in the shade Pearl. I'm just gonna add a bit to the high points of my cheeks. So now time for blush. This is the Anastasia stick blush. I got the shade Peach Caramel. This is what the packaging looks like. It's just a rose gold packaging. You have the blush in one side, and in the other side you have a little brush. This reminds me of like the, what's it called? Oh my god. Nude Sticks blush, just because of the little brush on this side. It's very, very similar to it. So it comes in 5 shades. I think I have the darkest shade. It's a deep warm peach. So it says it's a buildable ultra lightweight cream blush that melts into skin and creates radiant natural looking color with a seamless finish. So I don't know how I'm gonna apply this. Usually what I do is take it some in the back of my hand like so. Oh my god, this reminds me of the Patrick Ta She's So LA blush, that kind of warm bronzy shade. I'm just gonna take a brush and take some of the back of my hand, apply it to my cheeks. Oh my god. Oh, I love these blushes. I mean, I love blush in general. If you can't seem to have figured that out with all my declutter videos, it's very stressful. All that bronzer and blush section, very stressful for me. Put a little bit over my nose. Oh my god. Is this my new favorite blush? And I like to apply it first on the back of my hand because I think once I apply it, I have a bit more control on on how it looks, and this just looks beautiful. Beautiful. So I'm just gonna take some setting spray. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. You guys know I love this, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. All right, eyebrows are done. This is what they look like. Now for eyes, I think I want to do something quick and fast. That's what she said. But I want to use this products. These are the Charlotte Tilbury Color Chameleon. I have the shades Cosmic Gold and Black Smolder. I think it came in a set. I bought them in the Charlotte Tilbury store in LA and they came like this, but I want to do something very, very natural. So I think I'm gonna go in first. I already primed my eyes. I use the MTZBeauty eyeshadow primer. I think I'm gonna go in with Cosmic Gold and just apply it all over my lid. I'm gonna go a bit to my crease so I can go in with a blending brush and blend it out a bit more. I'm gonna go in a bit with my finger, trying to blend it out. Just gonna go in with a blending brush, kind of blend out the edges. I love these types of products where I can create like a super easy look and effortless. I'm just gonna blend it out with the pencil brush. And now with the black shade, I'm gonna do like a very small smoked out wing. I'm just gonna fast forward this because, you know, I'm not good at liners, so enjoy. Okay, this is the finished look. It's super natural, super me look. I'm just gonna do my lashes off camera and charge the battery of this camera and I'll be right back. Eyes are done. Now for lips. For my lip liner, I'm gonna use a Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat lip liner in Hot Gossip. I'm just gonna fill my whole lip. And I'm just gonna top it off with this Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Crystal. Look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my god. And we are done. So this is the finished look. I am obsessed how my skin looks. As my first impression, I love how it looks on my skin. You can tell I'm wearing foundation, but it looks super natural, that it might even feel like a CC cream. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin whatsoever. It just looks so beautiful. I would wear this foundation, maybe not every day, but if I want to go out where, I don't know, but maybe if I go out I would wear this foundation because it just looks super natural. For the bronzer stick, I think I had a little bit of trouble with the blending out. I don't know if it was the brush, but overall I love how it looks on my skin. It just looks like a beautiful bronzer. It's more of a very warm toned bronzer, which I really enjoy when it comes to bronzers. And it did blend out really easy, but I think I had a little bit of trouble blending it out because of the brush. But overall, I would still use this product and maybe do a test wear tomorrow with this one as well and see how long it lasts. Also the blush, I'm gonna do that all for tomorrow. But the blush, it's such a beautiful shade. I'm obsessed. It's more of a kind of winter fall color, which we're still in winter, and I'm just obsessed. And with the rest of the makeup, I have already tried a bit, but yeah, I'm actually really enjoying this lip gloss. This lip combo is perfecto. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see. You could also follow me on my social medias, which I always leave right here. Also in the description box below. I'm gonna put all the products I used today and with the shades and everything. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day. I love you and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.